1 and the 3 is an awkward, but it's one of my favorite combinations. It's a fun combination, especially to work on the heavy bag. Initially, what you do is you just work on just placing it and just root yourself down. Don't worry about power. You're just going between a 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Thinking about getting the nose, then the ear, or the temple. Nose, ear, nose, ear. Now, this is even better when you add movement. You want some power on it, and what we do is we add a slip to both, or just to the 1. Here's a slip just to the hook portion. So you'll jab quick, slip out of the way, hook. That body shot ends lives, okay? If you want to slip on both, that's also an option. So the 1, 3, have some fun with it. And people are used to you going 1 and 2. So going with the same hand really throws things off, and again, tests your coordination and mixes things up.